Hey guys, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Tulsi and I am back with another video. So today we are making a vision board for the year 2026 and we have a special guest with us today. So let's welcome Mr. Husband today. So we both are going to make our vision board together. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here's how we started making our vision board. So first of all, you have to jot down all your goals according to the categories like health,
work,
personal life or family, wealth, travel, hobbies, etc. So you have to jot down all your goals accordingly. That will make your process easy. After jotting it all down, open the Pinterest app and find out the images that are relatable to your goals and collect all the images together, get a print, and let's start making the vision board.
Today we are not planning a year, we are visualizing a life. This is us, two people, one table, and a bunch of dreams that refuse to stay inside our heads anymore. A vision board isn't just about pictures and aesthetics, it's about clarity. Because the mind works better when it can see what the heart wants.
Vision board साथ में क्यों बना रहे?
क्यों?
अरे I'm asking you.
मुझे मालूम बोला.
Because our visions should align थोड़ा बहुत तो भी. Like travel goals. ये align होने चाहिए.
मेरे तो नहीं हो रहे align. मेरे तो नहीं हो रहे, मुझे तो तेरे इसमें हाँ भरनी पड़ रही है.
Oh please.
हाँ.
As we cut, paste, and laugh at how different some of our dreams look, we are also learning something important. Alignment matters more than perfection.
Craft project लग रहा है school का.
सही में.
You are loving it more than I.
Did you know your brain responds to images faster than words? That's why vision boards work. They train your subconscious to notice opportunities you would have otherwise ignored. Once done cutting all the pictures, now we are prepping the board, or you can simply buy a canvas on which you can stick all your pictures. You simply need to plan and assemble all the pictures that you've collected on the board and start pasting it. It's that easy to create a vision board. Dreaming together is underrated because when two people visualize the same future, they don't just grow, they grow in the same direction. We are not rushing timelines, we are not chasing someone else's life. We are simply asking, what does happiness look like for us? And if it changes someday, that's okay too. This board isn't a promise, it's an intention. A reminder that love, effort, faith, and a little bit of imagination can build something beautiful. As we did this together, we realized how beautiful it is to see where our dreams overlap and where they give each other space to grow. We laughed, we discussed, we changed our minds, and that's the beauty of dreaming together. It's not rigid, it's evolving. We've placed everything together and stuck it on the board. Different pieces, one picture, just like a partnership. A vision board works because your brain responds to visuals. What you see every day, you subconsciously work towards. But more than that, this board is a reminder that we are choosing alignment over pressure, intention over timelines. This isn't about everything figured out, it's about trusting the process and trusting each other while building the future. Creating this board isn't a promise, it's an intention, a reminder that love, effort, faith, and a little bit of imagination can build something beautiful. So here's your sign, sit down with someone you love, cut out your dreams, talk about them, and watch how powerful clarity
We are
feels.
making the vision board together since we are partners in life, so our visions should align. They might not be the same, but they at least should align so that things become easier. So try it with your partner. So we have completed our vision board. So let's reveal our vision board. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So we've kept it blurred and we're not willing to share our vision board as of now, but we hope that by the end of 2026 we reveal all our visions to you and all the visions that we have manifested come true. And yes, we are going to hang it on a wall where we'll be seeing it every day. उठते बैठते हम लोग इसे देख पाए and we manifest all our goals. So go make your own vision boards, and all the best for the year 2026. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and put your views in the comment section below.